The year is 2026, and Ferrari has done something that no one thought they ever would. They've taken the spirit of the Italian supercar and stretched it into a full-size motorhome, creating a machine that doesn't just transport you from place to place, it transforms every journey into an event of unmatched luxury and adrenaline. This is not just a motorhome. This is a Ferrari masterpiece on wheels, and today we're going to take you inside this rolling marvel. From the very first glance, the Ferrari Motorhome makes a statement that it doesn't belong to the same category as any other camper. It's sculpted with the same aerodynamic finesse you'd expect from a Ferrari supercar, its body a combination of carbon fiber and lightweight aluminum designed to cut through air with elegance. The iconic red paint gleams under the sun, and the prancing horse emblem is set proudly at the front, making sure no one forgets what brand of performance and prestige they're witnessing. Imagine pulling into a campsite and having every head turn in awe. This is what rolling up in a Ferrari motorhome feels like. The performance is equally breathtaking. Underneath its massive yet sculpted frame lies a hybrid V12 engine paired with electric motors, producing over 1,000 horsepower. This motorhome doesn't just cruise, it surges down highways with the heart of a supercar. 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds, an adaptive suspension that reads the road like a track, and Ferrari's precision steering make this the most agile motorhome in existence. It's raw power blended with technology, giving you the ability to command speed while still enjoying a smooth, stable ride. Ferrari didn't just build a motorhome, they engineered a new breed of machine that blurs the line between RV and hypercar. Step inside, and the transformation continues. The interior is crafted like the cabin of a private jet, only larger, more spacious, and dripping with Ferrari's Italian artistry. The living space greets you with hand-stitched leather seats in Ferrari's signature tan and black, carbon fiber accents flowing along the walls, and ambient lighting that shifts to match your mood. The lounge area feels like stepping into a luxury suite in Milan, wide, comfortable, and equipped with a massive OLED entertainment system seamlessly hidden behind tinted glass until it comes to life. The kitchen is designed not just for utility but for style, featuring brushed aluminum fixtures, induction cooking surfaces, and Italian marble countertops that glisten with elegance. Even the smallest details carry Ferrari's touch, with red stitching along the cabinets and prancing horse engravings subtly placed in the design. It feels like you're cooking not in a camper, but in a Ferrari villa on wheels. Move into the bedroom, and you'll find an oasis of comfort. A king-size bed with memory foam is wrapped in fine leather trim, surrounded by Ferrari-inspired wall panels. Built-in climate control ensures the perfect atmosphere, while panoramic skylights open above to let you sleep under the stars without ever leaving the embrace of Italian luxury. And yes, the Ferrari badge is there too, etched into the headboard, reminding you that even in rest, you're surrounded by power and prestige. The bathroom continues this theme of elegance with rainfall showers, gold-plated taps, and mirrors with built-in smart screens. This isn't a stopgap convenience, it's a spa experience on wheels, crafted for those who accept nothing less than perfection. Technology flows throughout this motorhome. A full AI-driven control system manages lighting, climate, navigation, and entertainment, all accessible through Ferrari's signature red touch panels or even through voice command. Adaptive solar panels on the roof power much of the onboard electronics, while hidden storage ensures that despite its luxury, practicality is never sacrificed. Every corner of this motorhome screams exclusivity. It's not just transport, it's Ferrari redefining freedom. Imagine parking on the edge of the Amalfi Coast, throwing open the motorhome's panoramic glass doors, and watching the sunset while surrounded by leather, carbon fiber, and the very soul of Ferrari's legacy. It's not camping. It's an experience that elevates the road to a lifestyle reserved for the few who dare to dream beyond the limits. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is not for everyone. It's rare, it's extreme, and it's built for those who demand the thrill of Ferrari without giving up the space, comfort, and luxury of a rolling palace. It's proof that Ferrari's DNA of performance, passion, and perfection can live far beyond the racetrack. This isn't just the future of motorhomes. This is the future of Ferrari itself, a symbol of ambition, freedom, and unrivaled luxury. The question is simple: if you had the chance to own a Ferrari motorhome, would you take the wheel?